Now that's how you should be watching movies. You don't even get those experiences like that in movie theaters. Now some of you are wondering, hey, Thunder E, what was all that lighting effects I saw? Well, it's from our friends at Philips Hue. Now they reached out and said, hey, would you like to partner to check out our Hue Play HDMI sync box? I was like, yeah, sure. Like, what does it actually do? Now, they reminded me that this is very similar to what I showcased last year, which is the Philips Hue light bar, where I was able to sync that to my laptop, my Razer Chroma, and I got this whole crazy gaming experience on my PC where all my Philips Hue lights added to the gaming experience. But now, you can do this while sitting down back and relaxing on your couch. Now, to me, that's truly where entertainment takes it to the whole new level. Now, the Hue Play HDMI sync box is a HDMI box that allows you to connect all your devices into that box and directly to your TV, and then using, of course, the Philips Hue Sync app to coordinate all the Hue lights in your house to fit your entertainment. Now, this works for movies, it works for music, so if you're having a party, this will work well with it too, and it will also work with your games. So how is that setup process? It's really easy. It's as simple as connecting your streaming devices, be it your PlayStation 4, your Xbox, Apple TV, Roku, doesn't matter what you use, or even your NVIDIA Shield, directly through those HDMI ports, and then a single cable directly to your TV. Then you set up the lights on your Philips Hue Sync app, which is really easy for all the different lighting zones that you want. So I have all my lights set up, and what's cool about it, it detects where the lights are. You can position the lights, because that plays a key effect when you're watching your entertainment. So imagine if you're watching it and Doctor Strange, of course, is holding Thanos, and you can see all the light strings as they move, and it coordinates the lights together. It's ridiculous. It's cool. It's absolutely cool. I love that experience with it. I love the fact that when I kick back and I'm watching the movie, I feel like I'm in that whole atmosphere, especially an action movie or a superhero movie, which we all love. And as you can see, I'm wearing my BVS style t-shirt, so that makes a lot of sense for me. And the experience is so seamless and easy to do. All you have to do is tap to say start watching your movie, and boom, it does it for you. It's that simple. Now, as I mentioned, you can also do it with games. So we said connect your PlayStation 4 or your Xbox, and you get the same experience. So it doesn't matter what games you play, and I think for gaming it truly adds a whole lot. We saw this last year when I showed it to you on PC, but sitting back and playing your console game, we are playing the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare and getting that immersive experience with it, I think is truly fun. It's just something that really adds a lot more to it and gives you that intense feeling. Now, I wanted to try Resident Evil 7, but I was like, no, stay away from the horror games for now. But you can just see how it looks with Call of Duty Modern Warfare. And I think for everyone, this is how you should really enjoy your entertainment. Now you can increase the intensity of the lights, so of course it can be super hectic or something a little bit more mellow. And of course, as I mentioned, you can use it with music. So if you're having a party with friends, you can coordinate that and it is good to go. So if you have any questions or any comments about the Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box, let us know. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and hopefully you can enjoy entertainment just like this.